sure if I added this or if it was already there. But we got it on there. And once we get these ISOs downloaded, we'll try and see. I have not had any luck with the USB stick. I might just be doing something wrong. And that's probably the case. But I do have Windows 10 stick in here, but okay, so create a new virtual machine, local install, maybe import, no, we'll try that. Okay, browse. Okay, so I think this doesn't look right. ED USB. Maybe, I don't know. If I unplug it, does it disappear? Okay. Let's try that again. I'm just gonna actually close this whole thing down. Okay, let's try this. Browse. So I guess maybe it is. I don't know, but this is 16 gigabytes. Let's close it and go back. Yeah, it still doesn't show it. I don't know. What other things do we have here? Connection. References. Let's try closing this and restarting it. Okay. Right. Should something else. Okay, default. Okay, so yeah, it's not picking up our USB stick. I can see it flashing and all that, but we'll just have to wait for these things to finish. What do we have? Windows 98 is complete, so we can do that. Okay. I'm trying to figure out. Wait. Don't exit. I just want to minimize this thing. There's no, like... it's weird. This version of Firefox is strange to me. Alright, let's close this, because... I'm going to go in here. Okay. Forward. Then we have to find it. Jeez. Okay, so I got to go down here to browse local. Okay, that makes sense. So let me just find our download folder. It should be here. Why is there more than one? Okay, click open. What the hell? I need the actual ISO file, not all this other crap. Alright, so what I accidentally did was I clicked on the images I saved of the deal with the product key. So it looks like that should be there. Okay. Let's go there. You must select an OS. Okay. But it's not doing that. Okay, so it's giving me a choice now. Ooh. Not a lot of choices. We're gonna have to do that. Let's just see. Okay. Let's just see if it works. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. Okay, I think I just clicked it wrong though, but we'll see. So like literally this is what the setup would look on a actual like real deal. I'll probably have to restart it. I don't know if I was supposed to click boot from hard disk or from CD because I'm in a virtual. Okay, so what it asked me, do I want to boot from hard drive or a CD-ROM? And I'm not using a CD-ROM, but I don't know how the virtual thing does its deal. So this time I tried hard drive. I believe before it was CD-ROM, and I got a no bootable thing. So we'll let this run for a while and see what happens. But I don't think it's going to work because I don't remember this being like this when you install Windows 98. There may be some tricks that you have to do, but I'm sure I could probably get Windows 10 to install on here. So if this isn't successful, we might just try that next, just to learning experience thing, just to be able to do something a little easier first before we try to do this again later. Okay, so we have, I can go back into my thing here. There's these two different ones running. I can't get this one to run, but what I'm going to do is just leave it on there for a minute. And then we'll click this one here. We'll browse. And we'll browse local. We'll go Windows 10, ISO, open. Automatically detecting. It thinks it's a Windows 11, but we'll just go forward. I don't really care. I don't think it's going to matter. I don't know why it thinks it's Windows 11. Unable to install. Okay. Okay, back. Let's go Windows 10. Okay, forward. Okay. So that one looks like that one should work. So I wonder what I'm doing wrong with Windows 98. Wow. That's pretty quick. This is new. I've never done this before, so I've obviously installed it numerous times, but I've never done it on a virtual thing, let alone on a server. Let's see. Did it give us a product key? We just don't have one. Windows Home, Windows 10 Pro. We should be able to just do the typical thing. Alright. How cool is that? Man. So once I get this successful, then I'll have to try the Windows 95. That, just see if that one's any easier than 98. Alright, so anyway, I'll make another video when I get to actually running it. But for now, I just wanted to push the video out there so you guys can see what I'm up to.